I got you, nigga.
Alright. Ooh! Damn! So why did they hide it just now?
Reaction.
Alright.
Or what's it called?
Alright. Yo, let me see if you got my intro, bro. Let me see what you got.
Nah, nigga, I don't know that.
Let me see what you got.
Let
Let me see what you got.
I don't know that.
So guys, it's the reaction boss.
Fuck you, nigga. What's up, YouTube? It's some more Tyreek Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. So right now we're here with the homies again. Right now we have a song called Jump It. By Boy Dingo. Y'all know the chopper. You know Boy Dingo is represented for the ladies with the big booties, and y'all know that's what I like to see. And by the looks of these motherfuckers right here, they like seeing them bitches.
Bumbucker.
Alright. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Links to their channel will be down below in the description of this video. Y'all know the chopper race. So let's get straight to the video right now. Someone press play.
I got you, nigga.
Alright. Ooh! Damn! So why did they hide it just now?
See, offer this nigga shit already. I mean, it's
Hey, no, it's a whole different video. Don't do that shit. Alright, let go though. This motherfucker all up in their cheeks. Yo, it's all up in them cheeks. Let go.
I'm listening to the lyrics.
Alright, go. You ain't gonna understand this one.
Hey, girl, how you jump it. Yes, girl, how you jump it. Left side when you jump it. Just my baby. Hey, girl, how you jump it.
That's Trinidad. I'm not from
You look
Trinidad.
good when you arch your back ready. And then I shine when it's time to jump man. When you suck my dick, you just send me mad. Yes, girl, I love it when you bend.
Move your hand, man.
To my bed. Suck my dick and it's spit up on my head. Then I slide
All
the
up in the
teeth. Pussy wet. Me and you equals a private zest. First one shit, which one do you want? Look at how that pussy is so fat. No, see me like that. Dingo in the cat. Hey, girl, how you jump it.
I know y'all ain't understanding shit in this, don't you?
But the flow hard.
You can tell he's talking about.
Yeah, I know you probably get the jump.
I mean, the flow hard.
Yeah, he talking. I know what he's talking about. Yeah, you
What
can
you
tell.
talking about?
Cause I'm getting like the end of this, like when he says something like the end of this.
Yeah,
that nigga
like you
talking
heard
about,
the last
end,
word.
like the cat.
No.
Yeah, and
Pop,
a
some
cat.
shit.
Dog. On me.
I do that when you jump it. Bend back and you jump it.
This is one of his most chill videos to me, though. We go way crazier than this.
Yes, girl, how you jump it. Left side when you jump it. Just my
He a big
baby.
rapper?
Stop jump it.
Yeah, he live in Trinidad.
Shit back on me.
Like David.
Feeling sweet. One motion when we rock the boat, then you bend your back and you take the strokes. Yes, girl, I love it when you moan. The pussy tight so you come on.
Oh!
Is that so?
I don't know.
Yes, girl, you do the things
They doing it, man. Who you
Come to the
finding
crash
out?
of the position. How come you don't have a child? You said break it side of you.
Throw some of them in the last video.
Hey, girl, how
It's a whole different artist, bro.
Jump it. Bend back and you jump
You better
it.
be
Yes,
practicing
my
some of
baby.
that.
Don't stop it. Hey, girl, how
probably just paid their ass.
You should see this dude's Instagram, bro. This is Instagram.
Left side when you
How many followers
jump
you
it.
got?
Just my baby. Don't stop jump it. Jump it. Bend your back and make a bumper jump. Bend your back and make a bumper jump. Bend your back and make a bumper jump. Up dog, make it jump. Bend your back and make a bumper jump. Bend your back and make a bumper jump. Bend your back and make a bumper jump.
What the hell?
Up dog, make it jump.
How many followers you got?
Bend your back and
No,
make
this
a
is not it.
bumper jump.
But yeah, bro, that's something different. This is similar to the ones that him and Kobe reacted. Y'all saw that video?
Yeah, that's him.
When Kobe and him was
Yeah,
You watch that
Yeah.
one? Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I
you
wanted to react to, huh?
Yeah, y'all niggas post the video to it.
I mean,
What did they keep on posting for? I see
But
no
this
ass.
is Instagram. This dude got a pouring up shit, like similar to this shit. All these guys is big booty hoes going crazy and shit. That's all.
Oh, to his music.
Yeah.
That's how you promote your shit.
That shit lit though. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out this video. One of the most shortest videos I've done in a minute, but just wanted them to see what be going on with them cheeks.
I mean, them cheeks, you heard?
Yeah. Remember to go subscribe to the channel. Everything gonna be down below in the description again. Peace out.